There's a lot of questions up there about adding chicken manure to your garden directly. That's what I've been doing here for the last 3 years. When we breathe in, we can breathe in oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and like 2 other gases in the atmosphere. But when plants breathe in, they only can breathe in carbon dioxide and oxygen. They cannot breathe in the nitrogen from the atmosphere. They need to get it from the ground. When the plants absorb the nitrogen, nitrogen goes to a compound in the leaves of the plants that is called chlorophyll. The greener parts of the leaves are the chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll will extract the sunlight energy to produce sugars from the carbon dioxide they breathe in and from the water the plants absorb from the ground to grow and develop. So that's the importance of nitrogen as a mineral. So chicken manure, would it burn your plants or would it kill anything that touches? Nah. Chicken manure has nitrogen in it, but very low percentage compared to the fertilizers that you buy at the store. Have you seen those fertilizer packages or bottles that says 10, 10, 10? That means one of those 10% is nitrogen. And compared to chicken manure, only 3%. I don't understand, but maybe there's some more research that I don't know about. But all I can tell you is what I have proven here in my garden, that it won't hurt your plants and actually fits the soil with nitrogen. Also, when you use chicken manure in your garden, usually comes with some kind of bedding like straw or shavings, and that will absorb some of the nitrogen from the manure itself. So by the time you add it to your garden, it'll be even lower the percentage, like 2 or 1. Sometimes you'll find patches of chicken manure like this one here. That's completely fine. Also, you can take all that goodie and put it in a container and add water to it and make a slush. That water, you can add it to your plants. You just pour around the plant that rich water in nitrogen. That's another option. But yeah, there's a lot of shavings and bedding, all bedding here. This is even older. This is from last year. I don't know if you can see the different color, and it's more it's broken down in a better way than this one. This one is fresher. I'm gonna put here the corn because corn needs a lot of nitrogen. This new bedding here that I added recently, look what they did. They got all the hay out of the nest. Who did that? Did you do that? Look how many eggs do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 here. Oh my goodness, but don't do this. Don't do this. You need the hay in the nest for the egg to be clean. And also it's more comfortable. Yo voy a ver quién hizo eso. I'm gonna pick it up in a little bit. But anyways, all this new bedding will go to the garden in about 3 months. It'll work. So you saved time and effort of composting that manure by putting it into your garden directly. All you have to do is try. But I'll tell you, it works.